Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Avish Bhardwaj of class 6th. Today I am going to cre- uh, going to create a underwater volcano. So let's start. Equipment: test tube, spatula, measuring cylinder, stirring stick. Materials from kit: citric acid, baking soda, red color. Materials from home: water, cooking oil. So first, measure 10 ml water in the measuring cylinder and pour into the test tube. So let's water in measuring cylinder and pour into the test tube. 10 ml water, 10 ml measuring cylinder, or I will put this on in the test tube. Pour it in the test tube. I pour. So second step is then add 2 drops of red color into the test tube and mix using the stirring stick. Okay, red color. Here is red color. So there is no. It is that your option if you choose blue, green, red, anything color. So I will use blue color, but if the red color is open or blue, I will pour the blue color into 2 drops डालनी है 1 and 2. I will then